What we're looking at here is a Casablanca Delta in bright brass. This thing is in amazing condition. I just put brand new bearings in it. Got a little bit of a mark there at the end of the blade, but that's nothing. Got this fan from hell, aka Philadelphia, and I was very surprised to find a Casablanca in a city like that. It was installed in someone's beat up shack in the middle of Philly. It's 100% complete. Uses an Asterson. I believe that's an Asterson. Let me see. Forget. Yep, that's an Asterson. You got the 8 circles of death on there. I don't hate Asterson, but a lot of other collectors do for some reason. Shaking around a little bit, the hang tree was all loose. The way my box up there is set up, can't really tighten it all the way, so. I can't believe a fan from Philly is in this excellent type of condition. That is just crazy. Runs excellent. Like I said, brand new bearings. And this thing is damn near pristine. The original bearings in this fan were so bad. The grinding was unreal. That's about all I got for this 1984 Casablanca Delta.